Right now, I'm in the famous Melbourne Cricket Ground, known as MCG, which is in Melbourne, Australia. Sports is an amazing thing, right? So generally, sports should be, some people say, I'm going to work when after I'm 60 or 70 or 50, and then I'll see what can I do. It does not, in every sport, there is a scoreboard. Life is also, at the end of a sport, one team wins. And likewise, we also Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salamu ala rasulillah. Right now, I'm in the famous Melbourne Cricket Ground, known as MCG, which is in Melbourne, Australia, of course. And it is generally famous for cricket matches. There have been many World Cup matches that have happened, in which the famous one being Pakistan in 1992, where they won the World Cup here, right here. So I was in Melbourne for my lecture tour. So the friends, while going to a lecture, we have just stopped by here at MCG. Sports is an amazing thing, right? So generally sports should be to keep ourselves physically fit, energized. It's an unfortunate thing that it has become an industry and it is used just to earn money and stuff. But generally we should all play sports so that we are physically fit. And every sport teaches you a lot of lessons. Cricket, I don't know how many people actually, they watch cricket, but in every sport there is a scoreboard. And life is also like a scoreboard. We also check a lot of scores, one being, for example, 5 daily prayers. I have to check, did I pray 5 daily prayers? Ramadan, did I fast Ramadan or not? So did I fast all 30 fasts or not, which are obligations, right? So it's also a scoreboard, which we need to keep checking, by the way. And at the end of a sport, one team wins. And likewise, we also win or lose. May Allah protect. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that فَمَنْ زُهْزِيَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةِ فَقَدْ فَازَ, that whoever is saved from the hellfire and is entered into paradise, he is successful. He has won the race, right? He has won the game. So we need to make sure that we also check our scoreboards. We also try to win game of life. This is what we all should be focusing on in life. And, in cricket match, sometimes 50 overs, sometimes 20 overs, sometimes 5-day test match. Nobody can say that I'm only going to play the last over or last couple of overs and then we'll win the match. You have to focus on every single over. Yeah. Likewise, some people say, I'm going to work when after I'm 60 or 70 or 50, and then I'll see what can I do. It will not win the match if we are only focusing on the last couple of overs. We'll have to play every single over. We have to play every single day. We have to play every single month, right, in order to win this game of life. So lots of lessons that we can learn, of course. These are the lessons of life that we learn from games. And of course, everybody has to work hard to win it. So we also have to work hard to win this game of life. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us tawfiq that we understand what life is all about. So this is from MCG, and inshallah I'll keep you updated about the tour that I'm on in Australia. So make dua for all of us. Jazakumullah khairan wa akhiru da'wana and alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.